This Fast and Furious video got 65 million views, and this one of Cristiano Ronaldo got 57 million views, and this one of Thanos got 47 million views. That's how many views this Instagram account is getting with a single AI tool. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I would start an account like this from scratch and how I would turn it into an actual profitable business. So a couple of days ago, I found this video. It was this super high quality AI video of Cristiano Ronaldo with a bunch of goats around him. The crazy thing with this video was that it had 50 million views, which is literally unheard of these days, especially when it comes to AI generated content. And that was not the only one. They had multiple videos with tens of millions of views. When first looking at it, it looked like it was created by a professional animator or something. Turns out it's not so complicated. After digging into every AI software out there, I found the exact formula this account used to create these videos. I mean, getting millions of views is cool and all sure, but you're not really getting anything out of it. Especially not on Instagram, because here's the thing. Views are honestly kind of useless if you don't know how to monetize them. I'll give you the exact software, prompts, and even show you how to replicate one of their most viral videos step by step. And at the end of this video, I'll reveal a method that has been popping up lately that is making faceless channels like these tens of thousands of dollars each and every month. Now, I have seen a bunch of videos about this topic, but none of them actually tell you how to make money with these types of videos. The first thing we're going to do differently is post the videos across all social media platforms and maximize the amount of views, but also maximize the income. As you might have heard, platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts will actually pay you for posting on their platforms, but there's a catch. Because TikTok only monetizes accounts with 10,000 followers, and in large countries like the US, and YouTube only monetizes accounts with 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views when it comes to shorts in the last 90 days. So yeah, you're off to quite a rough start. However, I've been looking around for solutions that would make it possible to monetize accounts right away for those interested in making money with their first post, and I found this website that creates pre-monetized accounts, basically accounts that have been grown organically to reach the monetization requirements. So all you would need to do is pick one and boom, you're off to the races. Now here's where it gets crazy. The whole process can be done with just one tool, and that's Zebracat. One of this channel's most viral videos is one of Thanos in some Indian markets, and it's pretty easy to see why. This video went viral, it's unique, shocking, and stands out from almost every other video on Instagram. Normally, you'd need separate apps for images, voices, music, editing, and animation, but their newest update lets you create everything from start to finish. I tested it last week, and the results were stupidly good. So to make things easy, I put together this 4-step blueprint that'll walk you through everything that goes into creating these videos and even how to monetize meme audiences. So the first thing we're gonna do is come up with a prompt. And this is gonna be one of the hardest things to do because look at this thing. It looks like it was made from Marvel. How do we even compete with that? Well, if it was any other tool, I would have to have used all my prompting knowledge and generated hundreds of images, and none of them would be even close to the result I wanted. With Zebracat, you just describe what you want into their prompt box. No complicated settings to mess with. Their AI automatically handles the lighting, composition, everything. Their system understands how objects should naturally move. Like if you have a scene with Thanos reaching for fruit, it'll automatically add realistic arm movements and fabric physics. No manual tweaking needed. I found it works best when you give it clear descriptions of what you want, almost like you're explaining it to a photographer. Now, the only thing left to do before we move on is to download the file. Since we're not going to be doing any heavy editing, there's no need for any complex software tools like CapCut or Premiere. Everything's done directly within Zebracat. It's easy. AI does everything for you. It does all the heavy lifting, but you're always in control. You want to change something, all you have to do is adjust it in the prompt box in the editing section, and it changes like that. Next, you'll want to post your videos across multiple social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram to maximize your views. And like I mentioned before, the whole point of this is to make it a real monetizable business. Relying solely on ad revenue won't cut it, and Instagram doesn't pay for views anymore. So what we want to do is convert these views into cold hard cash without depending on any ad revenue. A few months ago, this was a huge challenge for accounts like this because there wasn't a straightforward way to monetize them. But now, thanks to this new software, you can promote products from big brands and get paid every time you bring in a new customer. This business model is called affiliate marketing. Basically, you promote someone else's products and earn a commission on every sale you generate. The software provides you with a unique link, and whenever someone uses that link to make a purchase, you get paid. Here's the really cool part. Unlike traditional affiliate programs where you need to sell something like yoga pants to earn a commission, with this setup, the viewer doesn't even have to buy anything for you to get paid. All they need to do is answer a few questions, making it way easier to earn. Now, the website I'm talking about is called Glitchy. You probably haven't heard about it yet, since it's so untapped. Only a few accounts know about this, but they're already printing huge amounts of money. I mean, look at this guy, for example. He's bringing in every single month $22,000. So here's how to actually use it and make money with it. By the way, before I show you this, if you want more new monetization methods like these, make sure to drop a like on this video. This takes me ages to research and find. Yeah, so first you want to head over to their website and sign up for a free account with your email address. And don't worry, it's completely free to use. You won't need to get any subscriptions or anything like that. Next, click on the tab that says Offers, and you'll see all the products you can promote. It's literally only brands people in niches like this one are already familiar with, like 7-Eleven, Zara, H&M, and Shen. You want to pick a product that aligns with the audience. That way, it's more likely they'll click on the link. So choose one you like and click on it to promote it. You want to scroll down a bit till you see this link. It's called an affiliate link. Every time someone clicks on this link and follows through with the process, you'll get paid $8. People are printing crazy amounts just doing this on TikTok pages or Instagram pages. If you're early on this and do it correctly, it could be the next big thing. Another great option is to promote Zebracat itself. It has an amazing affiliate program that pays you recurring commissions, meaning you keep earning every month, someone you referred to continues using the app, you make money. It's a fantastic way to build a steady, ongoing income stream. Now I'll put all the websites I've mentioned and links down in the description below, but you probably have a lot more questions. And that's fair. You need to join our completely free community on Skool. We're currently at 2,200 members and growing every single day. We discuss strategies like this every single day. We have a great community, free courses, and tons of other resources designed to help you grow your business. Every day, people are succeeding and making thousands of dollars with these business models. It doesn't cost anything to join, so if you want to level up your content game, this is where you need to be.